My name is Kuntipalli Shubhasri. My title name is Comparison Between Entrepreneurship and Traditional Managers. Who is entrepreneur? He is a person who establishes business unit and utilize the other factors of production like land, labor and capital. The word of entrepreneurship is from French word which means entrepreneurship, which means undertaker. His entrepreneur is a person who owns and pursues operations, business enterprise. He or she takes the risk, innovator in the operation of the enterprise. Who is manager? A manager is a person responsible for planning, directing the work of group of individuals, monitoring their works and training action they necessary. A manager is a person responsibility for supervising and motivating employees and other directors in the organization. Difference between entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the owner of the enterprise, but a manager is just an employee of the enterprise of the entrepreneur. The main motto of an entrepreneur is to start a venture of setting of the enterprise. But the main aim of the managers is to render services to entrepreneur. Innovation. Entrepreneurship is another name of innovation. Entrepreneur works to find out new methods, products and etc. A manager is an employee of the business organization. He cannot operate independently. He executes the plans prepared for enterprise. Risk taker. An entrepreneur takes calculated risk. He is responsible for failures and financial losses. Bears all risk. Entrepreneur by the nature of a risk taker. Where a manager is employee does not accept any risk. A manager is responsibility for the management and administration of the group. Status. An entrepreneur status is the run his venture independently. He is self-employed and his own boss. A manager need not be any innovator. He deals with the day-to-day affairs and going concerns. Rewards. The entrepreneur is motivated by profits. He may suffer of losses. A manager is motivated by when the rewards are incentives. His works only salary basis. Goals. As an entrepreneur, he sets a goals. A manager employs the goals. Characters of entrepreneur: risk taker, capacity of analysis, high need of achievements. Characteristics of manager: being responsible, taking right decision, leadership and inspiring others. As we all discussed about entrepreneurship, I would like to tell you a story about successful woman in entrepreneur, Kalpana Saroj. Saroj was born in 1961 in Maharashtra in India. His father served in a police constable at Rathod. Kalpana Saroja was married at age of 12 and lived in a slum in Mumbai with her husband's family. After suffering physical abuse at the hands her husband's family members, she resided by the village, live with her parents. Using government loans of scheduled caste people, she successfully started tailoring business and the furniture store. She built a successful real estate business and come to be here conducting international skills. She was in the board of Khaminini Tubes, and when he went to liquidation of 2021 and after taking over the company, she is back to profit. According to her own estimates, she was personal assistant worth is $122 million. Awards. Kalpana Saroj was awarded in Padma Shri for Trade and Industrial 2013. She was appointed to brand of the directions of the Bharati Mahila Bank, a bank primarily for women by Government of India. Thank you, sir.